All right, Scott Pohl with the National Bowling Academy, and we're going to discuss a very important part of lane conditions today, in particular carry down. Well, what do we know? The lane is constantly changing. Each shot down the lane, that oil pattern isn't going to be the same as shots prior. In particular, most of the time, the first thing we see is carry down. Well, what's happening here? Oil is being stretched at the end of the pattern. Our back end reaction typically goes away, and we have to do something to work with this. This video is going to show you a few different adjustments on what we can do. In particular, we're going to do with our feet, with the ball, and sometimes we even need to change zones. All right, let's get out to the video, and we'll show you what we mean. All right, so here we see the ball reacting really well, and it has a flush hit. What's happening on this shot here, you can see that actually the carry down is in effect. The oil pattern stretching a little bit, and we left the 2, 4, 5, 7. Well, there's a few adjustments we can do. First one that I'd recommend is just moving our feet and our target a little bit further to the outside. Sometimes this works, and sometimes it doesn't. In the situation, well, you know what? Maybe it actually overhooks when we move a little bit closer to the friction. So what we need to do is move back to the left. Sometimes this adjustment doesn't work either. So I would recommend potential softer speed with that same ball. Sometimes this reaction isn't working either, so we can actually go into another adjustment, going with a stronger ball that's going to react a little bit better in the oil and finish through the pins the right way. Once again, sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. In this example, moving that adjustment to a stronger ball actually overhooks when it hits the dry. So another adjustment we can make is actually a zone change. What we're going to do here is move our feet left as well as our target just to get away from that friction overhooking. And you can tell the ball stays on line much better and goes through the pins the right way. Okay, so a lot of ways to deal with carry down. Different adjustments there. Sometimes it's a trial and error. A lot of the time, you're not going to have everything available in your skill set. So I'd recommend get out there and practice it a little bit. Go through each scenario. It's going to allow you to be better when you get into competition or league for the next time. Another thing is, you know what? Talk to your friends about it. Sometimes they're adjusting with the same way. Maybe they made that right adjustment. You can copy what they did. Vice versa. If you found the right adjustment, pass it on to them. Carry down is going to be an ongoing thing with lanes as each ball is changing that pattern. But I guarantee you having this set in your toolbox is going to help.